Hello! What is Oven cooking now? I've been working for the last 5 days, 6 days, I've been working on a buckwheat bread recipe. And today, the 5th or 6th day, it's ready. So, raspy, be careful. So, ow! Here she is. Bring the phone a little bit closer. Again, I had it cooking for 28 minutes. I think she's ready. I'll let it cool down a little bit. I'm going to cover it and let it cool down. But would you like to bring the phone a little bit closer so we can see the top? So the recipe has buckwheat, water, a little bit of honey, and that's it. Nothing else. So there's no white flour, there is no other kind of flour, there isn't any yeast, any leavening agent, other than buckwheat and water. So this is perfect for people with intestinal issues, celiac disease, and people that want to stay away from wheat products, white wheat product. And that's raspy. Raspy, attack.